there, this is Tanya Rowling. Welcome to Tanya Tina's Maths. In this channel, you can find me teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths NCERT Syllabus, and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths NCERT Syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video. Today we are going to be learning exercise 2.2 first question. Okay, now let's read the question. So the question is, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, and that too in this video I am going to be solving the fifth subdivision. So as you guys know, in the previous subdivision, that is the fourth subdivision, we solved the 4u square plus 8u. So it was kind of different because we didn't have a constant term, so it was easy to do. And that too in this subdivision, that is the fifth subdivision, we have somewhat different. Okay, so now let's see the fifth subdivision. So they are just giving various kinds of questions. That's because to solve any questions in this lesson, okay, or any types of question, they might change the number or they might change the signs. So you should know how to solve whether it is some other number or some other signs or some other variable, of course. Okay, now let's solve it. The fifth subdivision is t square minus 15. Okay, now first let us write, let p, instead of writing x I am writing t because in the question it's written t. So t is equal to, let me write the question as it is, that is t square minus 15, t square minus 15. So now take p bracket t is equal to 0. So now let's write the question as it is, that is t square minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, let's take t square as it is equal to, so when this minus 15 comes this side, so that is the right side, then it changes its sign. So it changes its sign from minus to plus. Okay, so it is 15 plus 15. So you can just write 15 as it is, otherwise you can just write plus 15. For your understanding, I wrote plus 15. Okay, so t square is equal to plus 15. So now what we are going to do is, we shall write t as it is equal to, so when this square comes this side, that is when it crosses this bridge, that is the is equal to bridge, when it crosses this and when it comes this side, it changes into root. Okay, so it is root 15. So remember, whenever you have square, so here we have t square, when it came this side it changes into root. So now it is root 15. You don't get confused in this. So now it is root 15. So here as you guys can see, when it is in the root form, let me write it again. So t is equal to root 15. For your understanding, I just wrote it. So here no, when it is in the root form, so here the number is 15, so now it is root 15. So whenever a number it is in the root form, then it has plus as well as minus. Okay, so remember, it has plus as well as minus. So what we can do is, so as you guys know, if it is in root, then it has plus as well as minus sign. Okay, so we are going to be writing t is equal to under root 15. Why? Because if you write under root 15 like that, okay, now let's write plus under root 15. Okay, for your understanding, and then comma t is equal to minus under root 15. Okay, why? Because under root 15 means it has plus as well as minus, so we took separate. Okay, so we took t is equal to plus under root 15 comma t is equal to minus under root 15. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, we are going to be taking the alpha value. So here the alpha value is plus under root 15 and the beta value is minus under root 15. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So now we got the alpha value as well as the beta value. So now let's verify this. So verify. So now do you guys remember the formula, that is sum of zeros? So now let's write sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta. I hope you guys remember the formulas. So alpha plus beta. So here the alpha value is plus under root 15. So under root 15. Okay, now let's write plus under root 15, and then here we have plus, so we shall write plus as it is, and then in bracket we should write minus under root 15 because the beta value is minus under root 15. Minus under root 15. Okay, so now let's write is equal to plus under root 15, we shall write it as it is, and then plus into minus is minus. So minus under root 15 as it is. Okay, so now, so here we have plus under root 15 and here we have minus under root 15. So here both are same, am I right? So here also we have under root 15, here also we have under root 15. So we can just cancel it. Okay, so now when we cancel it is 0. Okay, so for example, if you have 1 plus 1, so I am taking example. Okay, so in case if you have plus 1 and minus 1, so what do? So plus into minus is minus. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Likewise, here also plus is there, here also minus is there. So plus into minus is minus. So when we minus under root 15 and under root 15, we get 0. Okay, like this one. So this is for your example. For your example, I just did this. Okay, don't write this. Okay, now we got 0. So now let's write the product of zeros. So now let's find its product of zeros. Now let's write product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta. Okay, so the alpha value is plus under root 15 and here it is the multiplication form, that means into minus under root 15. Okay, so when you just multiply it, so as you guys know, plus into minus is minus, so I wrote minus, and here under root 15 into under root 15 is 15. Okay, so when we are multiplying the similar numbers in a under root, so for example root, okay, when you multiply the numbers, similar numbers in root form, then when we multiply the answer is 15. So we got 15, right? But we won't write root, that's because that is a rule. Whenever we are multiplying the similar number in a under root, then what we do is we take off the under root. So the answer is minus 15. Why? Because plus into minus is minus, and then 15 under root 15 into under root 15 is 15. So when they multiply together with a similar value in a under root, then the answer would be without under root. Okay, so this is the main process in this. So now we got minus 15. So now we are going to be writing minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, okay, is equal to, so we are supposed to find the x value and the x square value. So do you guys remember the question? So the question was t square minus 15, am I right? So t square minus 15. So here we have x, but in the question it is t. So we shall take it as t right over here. Okay, so we are supposed to find the minus coefficient of t. Okay, so as you guys know, in the question we don't have t, so we are going to be taking as 0. Okay, so here we have minus coefficient, so minus it's there, so we shall write minus. Okay, minus 0 divided by coefficient of x square. So here instead of x square we are supposed to take t square. So the t square value is 1. So whenever we have a variable without a coefficient, then we take it as 1. Okay, so for example x is there means, so the coefficient of x is 1. So why? Because it doesn't have a coefficient. Okay, so I am taking 1. So when we divide this, of course we get 0. So 0 it is the answer. Now we are going to be finding its constant term by coefficient of x square. So now let's write constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Okay, so this is the last formula. So in this formula we should find the constant term and the coefficient of x square is equal to, so right, is equal to, so here in this question which is the constant term, so the constant term is minus 15, so we should write minus 15 divided by, so coefficient of x square is 1. Why? Because instead of x square we take t square, so we should write 1, because here if we have any if we don't have a coefficient, then we take 1 as its coefficient. Okay, so when we divide this, then we get, of course, it is minus 15. So thus verified. Okay, so finally we verified it. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Please like this video and help your friends by sharing this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Take care.